Hi everyone. Now see the in our practical next experiment is UJT as a sweep generator. Okay, you know that the what is the sweep generator? Okay, the sweep generator is a time-based generator. This time-based generator's output is the linear output voltage as well as the linear output current. In this sweep generator is a piece of electronic test equipment. Piece of the electronic test equipment similar to and sometimes included on a function generator which creates an electrical waveform with a linearly varying frequency and a constant amplitude. Linearly varying frequency and a constant amplitude, and in this sweep generator are commonly used to test the frequency response of electronic filter circuit. Commonly used to test the frequency response of electronic filter circuit. Now here in this sweep generator using the UJT as a sweep generator, that means UJT is long form, you know that the unijunction transistor. UJT means the unijunction transistor. A UJT is a three-terminal semiconductor switching device. UJT is the unipolar junction transistor is a three-terminal semiconductor switching device. It consists of a bar of N-type silicon material with a terminal attached at its two ends known as the base 1 and base 2. Okay, it consists of a bar of N-type silicon material with the terminals attached at the two ends known as the base 1 and base 2. Okay, in the unijunction transistor. Since there is only one rectifying junction, only one the rectifying junction within the device, it is called as a unijunction transistor. So it is called as the unijunction transistor. In this, UJT is not used as a linear amplifier, not used as the linear amplifier, and it is used in free running oscillator. It is used in the free running oscillators and synchronized or triggered oscillators and pulse generation circuits at low to moderate frequencies. Pulse generation circuit, that means the output pulse generated at the low to moderate frequencies. These unijunction transistor here used as a sweep generator, and this sweep generator commonly used to test the frequency responses of a electronic filter circuit. Firstly here in our experiments totally chart are explained. So I have firstly explained the what is UJT or what is the sweep generator. Okay, so now chart are explained here. See, the firstly aim of the our experiment is to design UJT sweep generator by using the bipolar junction transistor BJT as a constant current source and measure the frequency by means of CRO. That means here design the by using UJT sweep generator by using the BJT. That means the sweep generator circuit. Okay, electronic circuit here use the unijunction transistor as well as the bipolar junction transistor. Okay, and constant current source and measure the output of the frequency by means the output are measured in a by using cathode ray oscilloscope, that means the CRO. Okay, then by using the different apparatus of our experiment here use bipolar junction transistor BJT. Here use number of BJT is the BC177. This number of BJT are used. Then UJT 2N2646. The number of the UJT are here used. Then resistor, here use the different values of the resistors. Then capacitors, here use the capacitor, then CRO, cathode ray oscilloscope. Here we have measure or observe the output frequency, okay, or output waveforms on CRO. Then power supply, here used a power supply, then multimeter, okay. In this way the different apparatus are required to our given experiment, okay. Then given here voltage VEE, here apply the two voltages VEE and VBB. Here VEE voltage is 15 volt, okay. Then VBB voltage are required the here plus 8 volt. Then IE, okay, emitter current are 2 milliampere, and VCE, okay, collector to emitter voltage are 10 volt, and IC, collector current are the 2 milliampere. These are the given different voltages and currents, okay. So design the R0 value, resistors R0 value we are designed by using the given different voltage or current values. So R0 is equal to VEE minus 0.7 upon IE. Okay, in this R0, this formula put on these given values and calculate the R0 value, that means the resistor value. And these R0 here calculated resistor value here in practically used these values of the resistor, okay, in our circuit diagram. Then second, see the circuit diagram of our experiment. See here firstly BC177 bipolar junction transistor and UJT, okay, unijunction transistor, which are here firstly connected. That means the both devices are main part of our experiment, okay. Then here see firstly bipolar junction transistor. Here see second diagram, here the base diagram of the BJT as well as the UJT. See here the BC177, this bipolar junction transistor, which are the three terminals. Here in this BJT's notch available, one notch, and this notch nearest terminal is the emitter terminal, then emitter, base and collector. Emitter, base, collector, three terminals of the bipolar junction transistor. Then second base diagram is the UJT 2N2646. Same in this way the UJT are the three terminals, emitter B1 and B2, okay, emitter B1, base 1 and base 2, okay. So in our circuit diagram, here connection connected BJT, emitter, base, collector. Here see the arrow is the emitter terminal, the center is the base, and here output to CRO connected terminal is the collector terminal. So BJT's base terminal connected 100 kilo ohm resistor, and these resistor which are connected in a ground terminal, okay. And then emitter terminal connected R0 resistor. Here R0 resistor connected calculated value, and these values resistor are here used, okay. And both resistor and ground terminal between connected VEE power supply, and VEE power supply voltage in a 15 plus 15 volt power supply here connected or applied to the positive 15 volt power supply. Then this BJT's collector terminal here connected in a emitter terminal of UJT. That means the BJT's collector terminal and UJT's collector terminal, emitter terminal, both terminals are connected in a common, and where common connected in this point connected 0.1 microfarad capacitor, and this capacitor which are connected in a ground, okay. And where the collector and emitter terminal are connected, so in this point output to CRO, that means the here connected CRO's cable, and where output is measured or observed on the CRO, okay. Then here see in a UJT B1 base 1 terminal here connected one resistor. These resistors value are the 47 ohm, and this resistor connected in a ground. And base 2 terminal B2 here connected one resistor 280 ohm resistor connected, and this resistor connected in a VBB power supply. Here apply the power in a plus 8 volt for a second power supply. So VBB and VEE here connected two power supplies. One power supply is as a VEE and second is the as a VBB. Here VEE power supply apply the 15 volt plus 15 volt supply, and in a VBB connected power supply apply the voltage is the plus 8 volt. Okay, then now second waveforms. Here observe the output waveforms. Okay, here see the two types of the waveforms in a exponential waveform and linear waveform. Where when in a VEE and VBB. Now here VEE in a 15 volt and VBB is the 8 volt. But here at a time 15 and 8 volt voltage are do not required in our circuit, or do not produce the in our circuit diagram, but apply the in a smoothly 1 volt 2 volt in this way. Okay, and in this way when apply the voltage of the two power supplies, then firstly gives to the exponential waveform on a CRO, where in our circuit connected output टू CRO. ओके, मग CRO वरती आपल्याला 2 और 3 व्होल्टेज आपण जेव्हा व्हॅरी करणार आहे दोन्ही पॉवर सप्लायवरून. ओके, ॲट अ टाईम दोन्ही पॉवर सप्लाय आपण स्मूथली व्हॅरी करणार आहोत. ॲट अ टाईम त्याला 15 आणि 8 व्होल्ट व्होल्टेज न देता अप टू 15 और अप टू 8 व्होल्ट असं आपण व्होल्टेज देणार आहे. ओके, स्मूथली आपण ते व्हॅरी करताना फर्स्टला आपल्याला एक्सपोनेन्शियल वेव भेटणार आहे आणि त्या वेवफॉर्मचा आपण टाईम अँड फ्रिक्वेन्सी मेजर करणार आहोत. ओके, अँड देन व्हेन व्हॅरी द अगेन व्होल्टेज, देन दिस एक्सपोनेन्शियल वेवफॉर्म इज गोज टू दी लिनियर टाईप. ओके, मग सेकंडला आपल्याला लिनियर वेवफॉर्म भेटणार आहे. अशा प्रकारचे दोन्ही वेवफॉर्म भेटल्यानंतर त्यावेळी त्याचा टाईम अँड फ्रिक्वेन्सी आपण ऑब्झर्व करायची. ओके, देन सेकंड प्रोसिजर कनेक्ट्स द सर्किट ॲज पर सर्किट डायग्राम, गेट इज चेक्ड अँड अप्लाय द पॉवर गिवन circuit. Then observe the output waveform CRO by adjusting input VEE. VEE हे कसं ठेवणार आहे आपण, ॲडजस्टेबल ठेवणार आहे. ॲट अ टाईम आपण त्याला प्लस 15 व्होल्ट हे आपण व्होल्टेज देणार नाही आहेत. ओके, देन मेजर द टाईम पिरियड अँड ॲम्प्लिट्यूड ऑफ द आउटपुट वेवफॉर्म बोथ फॉर द एक्सपोनेन्शियल अँड charging of capacitor, that means the linear, and note down it and trace the output waveform फॉर बोथ कंडिशन्स. ओके, दोन्ही एक्सपोनेन्शियल अँड लिनियर वेवफॉर्मच्या आपण काय करणार आहे, वेन द ॲडजस्टिंग द इनपुट व्होल्टेज VEE अँड VBB, देन आउटपुट इज गिव्स टू द एक्सपोनेन्शियल अँड लिनियर वेवफॉर्म. अँड these two exponential and linear waveforms we observe the time and then calculate the frequency, as well as we observe the amplitude of the exponential as well as the linear waveforms. Okay, now here observation for exponential waveform, observe time period t and then observe frequency f is equal to 1 upon t. In this way same for linear waveform, observe time period t and observe frequency f is equal to 1 upon t. Then trace the output waveform on a graph. ओके, आपण जे CR वरती वेवफॉर्म बघणार आहोत एक्सपोनेन्शियल ॲज वेल ॲज द लिनियर, त्या वेवफॉर्म आपण ग्राफ पेजवरती काय करायचे, ट्रेस करायचे. ओके, देन रिझल्ट ऑफ आवर एक्सपेरिमेंट, द पॅरामीटर्स ऑफ द UJT ॲज अ स्वीप जनरेटर सर्किट इज पॅरामीटर्स ऑफ नेम ऑफ द पॅरामीटर and value with units. Parameter first calculated value of resistor R0, then observe frequency f of exponential waveform and observe frequency of f of linear waveform. Okay, in this way these our experiment are successfully done in our laboratory. Okay, firstly see this in this way the chart are explain of our experiment, unijunction transistor as a sweep generator. आपण UJT and BJT आपण दोन्ही ॲज अ स्वीप जनरेटर म्हणून ह्याच्यामध्ये यूज करतो. ओके, हा टोटली हा चार्ट म्हणजे ह्या चार्टमध्ये काय काय करणार आहे आपण, त्याचं एम ॲपरेटस, त्याचबरोबर डिझाईन आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे, त्याचबरोबर सर्किट डायग्राम, आउटपुटला वेवफॉर्म कोणत्या टाईपच्या येणार आहेत, त्या कशा ऑब्झर्व करायच्या, त्याचं म्हणजे त्याच्यावरून ऑब्झर्व आपण काय करणार आहे त्या वेवफॉर्मची, आणि ट्रेस कोणत्या वेवफॉर्म करायच्या, त्याचबरोबर रिझल्ट काय लिहायचं आहे. ओके, अशा प्रकारे आपण हा चार्ट इथं एक्सप्लेन केलेलं आहे. आपण नेक्स्ट लेक्चरमध्ये ॲक्च्युली इन आवर लायब्ररीमध्ये आपण ही सर्किट डायग्राम असेल, ती सर्किट डायग्राम आपण कशी डिझाईन करणार आहोत, ओके, याचं कनेक्शन कसं करणार आहोत हे आपण बघणार आहोत. ओके, आय थिंक गॉट इट ऑल ऑफ यू अँड स्टॉप हिअर. थँक्यू ऑल ऑफ यू.